requesting our producers on popular demand that mad clip of Mad Shehbaz should be played again, because कोई problem है. Have you seen Savio how he did bangs, 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 and then he starts shaking his head? He's not okay. He's come out of an asylum. The man is mad. He's so funny. He's mad.
Well,
the guy is completely mad.
I actually thought, Arnab, I thought he was probably having a panic attack, knowing and seeing India's economic growth. The Shehbaz was like completely going berserk.
No, did you see the visual of how he was? Does he? But he behaving, I mean, does he always behave like this? Does he always behave like this, Raja? He'll be banging, मैं इंशाल्लाह मैं change कर दूंगा अपना नाम. What is all this? You bankrupt country.
Arnab, when it comes to our Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif might be funny. He might be obviously getting crazy while making his speeches. But he's someone we have never ever called a butcher, like we call butcher of Gujarat Narendra Modi. Of course, he hasn't got this kind of publicity, the one your Prime Minister is having. So our Prime Minister, whatever he has said, of course, it is the sentiment of the people at large of Pakistan.
Our Prime Minister is called the pride of India. Bharat Mata's beta. That's what our Prime Minister is called. The pride of India, Bharat Mata's beta. That is what our Prime Minister is called. Not a panic attack Prime Minister like your country. Pride, Bharat Mata ka beta hai Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
It was just a statement.
Bharat Mata ka beta. And one of the most important and revolutionary
let's not. We don't need to speak about Prime Minister Modi here. The question is the psychological problems of Shehbaz Sharif, the mental problems, the loss of mental balance, and as Raja has said today, and very important words Raja ने जो कहा है, बहुत अच्छी बात कही है इरशाद जी. इन्होंने कहा है, मुझे पता है कि हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर क्रेजी हो गए हैं. क्रेजी की हिंदी तात्पर्य क्या है, हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन क्या है, मतलब पागल कहते हैं वो. उन्होंने कहा कि हमारे
I think Irshad Sahab knows what
Irshad has said. Raja Faisal said that our Prime Minister is crazy. We know that he is crazy. Right? मतलब crazy को कैसे कहा जाए?
चलो मैं आपको जवाब देता हूँ. देखिए मेरी बात सुनिए.
Crazy.
पाकिस्तान के वजीर आजम मियां मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ साहब ने जो कुछ कहा ठीक कहा. वो इस वक्त जितनी तक बहुत शिद्दत से मेहनत कर रहे हैं हमारी हुकूमत पाकिस्तान, हमारे इदारे, नो डाउट कि पाकिस्तान जिस हालत में मिला हमें 1.5 साल 2 साल 3 साल पहले, जो कि आपका एक एजेंट था इमरान.
नहीं, मगर इन्होंने कहा कि मैं एक मिनट आपकी इकोनॉमी के बारे में बाद में बात करूंगा. जो इनकी मानसिक अवस्था है, एक मिनट इरशाद जी, इन्होंने कहा इनके मानसिक अवस्था के बारे में, इन्होंने कहा कि ये जिसको हिंदी में जिसको संकी कहते हैं, इन्होंने कहा, आई थिंक द राइट वर्ड इज संकी को उर्दू में क्या कहता है, आई डोंट नो. इन्होंने कहा कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री, इन्होंने कहा कि शहबाज शरीफ संकी हो चुके हैं. मैंने नहीं कहा, राजा फैजल ने कहा कि हमारे पाकिस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री संकी हो चुके हैं. संकी हो चुके हैं.
जो कुछ राजा साहब ने कहा, मैं आपको उसकी तशरीह करता हूं. उन्होंने कहा कि एक अजीम पाकिस्तान का एक अजीम लीडर, एक अजीम वज़ीर आज़म बेहतरीन दिया. आप उसको उल्टे रास्ते से कहें या सीधे रास्ते से.
Can I play the soundbite? Do you want to see this again? 1 minute. Mr. Dr. Nalapad, before I continue, I want to play what is seen to be the crazy behavior of Shehbaz Sharif. Would we like to play it with the translations, please? Is it available? Okay, now with every guest on the screen, let's listen to it. Yeah. एक मिनट, volume down. सुनिए. Let's hear it. 1 minute, 10 seconds. That video will play. मगर behavior देखिए उनका.
आपको पूरी दुनिया के लोगों को
इनके ये पीछे के आदमी है कि हंस रहे.
एक अजीम लीडर का बिहेवियर जैसा होना चाहिए वैसा है.
इरशाद जी, ये संकी बिहेवियर है कि नहीं?
नहीं जी, नहीं है। ये अजीम लीडरों की यही निशानी होती है। मेरा एक
अच्छा, अजीम लीडर्स ऐसे संघी बिहेव करते हैं।
भुट्टो, उन्होंने असेंबली में पेपर फाड़ के वहां से उठ गए थे अमेरिका से, याद कीजिए। ये उसी तरह का वजीर आजम है।
अच्छा, it is normal behavior for a Pakistani leader.
वरना हम ताकत बनने मजीद
अच्छा, let's listen to his normal behavior. Please play this, please, viewers.
मंजूर होया। कसम खाकर कहता हूं कि जब तक मेरी जान में जान है, हम सब मिलकर पाकिस्तान को अजीम बनाएंगे, हिंदुस्तान को शिकस्त देंगे इंशाल्लाह। मैं तोड़ो एक वादा कर चलिया कि पाकिस्तान असी इंशाल्लाह उस रब नूं मंजूर है, रब सोने नूं मंजूर है। उस रब सोने नूं मंजूर होया तो इंशाल्लाह मेहनत करांगे, रात दिन मेहनत करांगे, तो एक दिन आएगा कि हिंदुस्तान पिछले न छुटे थे। मेरा नाम शहबाज शरीफ नहीं है।
तो जब देखिए अर्नब, आपको अगर स्टेज पे खड़ा कर दें और हजारों लाखों का मजमा हो, आप भी जज्बाती होंगे, तकरीर में पता नहीं क्या कुछ कहेंगे।
क्या बताएं?
उन्होंने अपने पाकिस्तान को अजीम बनाने की बात की, उन्होंने ताकत बनाने की बात की। इसमें मुझे ये बताइए, संकी वाली कौन सी बात, आप कैसी बात कर रहे हैं? वो बात कर रहे हैं अजीम पाकिस्तान की, वो बात कर रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान की, कि हिंदुस्तान से ज्यादा बुलंदी पे ले जाएंगे, पाकिस्तान को एक अजीम मुल्क बनाएंगे। ताकत तो हम है, एटॉमिक पावर है, आपके साथ बात करते हैं। ये मैं आपके चैनल पे बैठा हूं, मैं अपने पाकिस्तान की वजह से बैठा हूं। मैं अगर
पाकिस्तान जब टेररिज्म का साथ देंगे,
पाकिस्तानी होने की हैसियत से बैठा हूं,
जो है
मेरी
पागल की तरह ही बिहेव करेंगे।
Okay, one minute. Let's listen to Madhav Nalapat. Dr. Madhav Nalapat. Dr. Madhav Nalapat, is the pressure... एक मिनट, Nalapat and Raja Faisal, please. I think something else is happening here. You see, they have run out of money, completely run out of money. Okay, they have no money in their defense budget. They have gone to the IMF, I think 27 times, and you know, they have empty pockets. And they cannot provide electricity to a large number of their citizens today. And even rating agencies are saying they are finished. Fitch said that Pakistan's current account deficit will fall further, and nothing can come from abroad because import levels are very compressed. They have very little reserves, actually, Professor Nalapat. It's like you completely run out of money, and you can't refinance your debt anymore. You know, they can't refinance their debt anymore, and therefore they are coming under attack. And there's an acceptance that they are going to lose Balochistan soon, given the way the incidents have been happening there. So is it because of pressure he's behaving like this? Because it's a matter of concern, you know. But for us it's amusing, but the Pakistanis must be really concerned about this. Professor Nalapat.
Look, Arnab, allow me to state some facts here. There was a time, the 1950s, end of 1950s, 1960s, when Pakistan grew faster than India. That was a long time ago. And frankly, over the last 10 years, for example, India has grown very much bigger than Pakistan. And today, you have seen the comparison in real time. Look, I wish my Pakistani friends well. I'd only like to point, there are 2 or 3 factors that I would like to point to. One is the very high level of spending on the military. It's an absolutely unsustainable level of spending for an economy the size of Pakistan. The second is the extent of corruption in the country. If, for example, there was a crackdown on corruption and the corrupt were forced to surrender their money, then Pakistan would have a better chance in the economic sphere. I'm not saying it will overtake India, because Prime Minister Modi has made it very clear. And sometime before it becomes a major economy, but it may have some different rates of growth. But frankly, I don't see any reduction in military spending, and I don't see any reduction in corruption, not to speak of any kind of a crackdown on corruption, and the money that's unearthed from corruption gets used for.
In fact, very useful.
Now let me respond to it.
Well, let me now share a bit of information with you, which is very important, very, very important. And this I'm saying to people in Pakistan so that एक होती है ना, इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं, जो आप लोग शायद नहीं करते, मगर जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं आत्मचिंतन, आत्मचिंतन, इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन। हमारे सनातन धर्म में इसको सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन कहते हैं, मेडिटेशन, ताकि यू आर स्पिरिचुअली पावरफुल। अभी पाकिस्तानियों को आत्मचिंतन करने की जरूरत है। एंड व्यू पीपल इन पाकिस्तान प्लीज,
मैं एक बात बताऊं,
मेरी बात सुन लीजिए इरशाद जी, मैं आपको ऐसे इतनी बुरी तरह से आपको अटैक कर सकता हूं कि आप चुप हो जाएंगे। 2 मिनट रुक जाइए। मैं आपको आत्मचिंतन करते हुए एक तथ्य को, जैसे तथ्य मीन्स हिंदी में फैक्ट शेयर करना चाहता हूं। यू नो, the fact is this. The most organized industry in Pakistan is today the begging industry. The begging industry employs 38 million beggars. पाकिस्तान में 38 मिलियन यानी कि 3.8 करोड़ भिखारी हैं। एंड ये इंडस्ट्री कितनी बड़ी है आपको मैं समझाता हूं।
What's the source? What's the source?
Yeah, I am telling you this. This is a well-known fact. It's a big organized business.
It's not well-known fact.
Yeah, it is a well-known fact. I am quoting the Economic Times. I'm quoting the Economic Times, which says that betting is a big organized. You are sure shocked. मैं जानता, मुझे पता था आप shocked होंगे. You listen to now. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me.
It's owned by Srivastava.
The lack of jobs and high inflation push a number of the poor into begging.
Arnab,
In a country with 230 million people, there are 38 million beggars, with an average daily amount a beggar collects is 2,000 rupees in Karachi, 1,400 in Lahore, 950 rupees in Islamabad. This was reported in the Dawn newspaper, the Dawn newspaper of Pakistan. Pakistan Dawn newspaper has said average amount every bhikhari gets is 850, right? And the total GDP of Pakistan, out of that 12% is the bhikhari or begging industry. The total value of the extraction of the begging industry is $42 billion. 42 billion is the bhikhari industry. The biggest single industry in Pakistan is the begging industry. Viewers, this is the biggest industry of Pakistan is bhik mangna.
Arnab, you're a seasoned journalist.
Very
you can
seasoned.
Tell me what kind of news outlet comes with these kind of numbers?
Dawn,
They don't have mechanisms
Dawn
to-
of Pakistan.
But I tell you,
The Dawn of Pakistan has said that you have a very large begging industry. You should be proud. We have a space industry. You have a begging industry. We have a semiconductor industry. You have a begging industry. We have an AI industry. You have a begging industry. We have a media industry. You have a begging industry. You should be proud. There are 38 million beggars employed in the business of begging in Pakistan.
Biggest worry for me is the kind of comments which are being made to me are from someone who's sitting in India. India is the same country that is still being considered as the 80 million Indians. They are still living $1.25 a day. India is that country, and that India is actually coming up with these kind of slurs, with these kind of comments on me. I won't allow India to do that.
42 billion
what we spend or what we
42 billion इतनी बड़ी begging industry है. In fact, I'll tell you, Raja, I want to tell you some more things. Listen to me, Raja. आपकी क्या कंगाल हालत है, आपकी कितनी बेइज्जती ग्लोबली हो चुकी है. आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए कि सऊदी अरब ने पाकिस्तान को वार्निंग दी है, और ये बहुत बड़ी रिपोर्ट है कि आप भिखारियों का एक्सपोर्ट बंद करें. उसके बाद पाकिस्तान ने 4,300 भिखारियों को एग्जिट कंट्रोल लिस्ट में डाली है और नो फ्लाई लिस्ट. दिस मूव इज टू प्रिवेंट पाकिस्तानीज फ्रॉम मिसयूजिंग उमरा एंड हज वीजाज फॉर बेगिंग इन मक्का और मदीना. लोग हज करने जाते हैं मक्का मदीना, आप लोग वहां पे भीख मांगने जाते हैं. ये तो published reports hai.
Arnab, let me tell you.
No, I'm saying you're gone, Pak gone.
It has nothing to do with the
Park gone,
nationality.
ladies.
There
Open the
would be
lines,
more
ladies and
in
gentlemen.
numbers
Open the
from
lines to
Indian
these.
side.
Let them
More in numbers
know
from
what the
American
people of
side.
India think about them.
You have to come up with Pakistanis because you have an agenda to set against
Put other
Pakistan.
number. Put
That's why you
Shehbaz's
do it.
video, yaar. Forget the
Now,
graphics.
Let me
Put
talk
the.
about- Arnab,
I
let me
want
talk
on
about
popular
the defense
demand.
budget.
इसीलिए
Earlier, there was a point which was
शहबाज
raised
शरीफ
about
की
the
जब हिस्ट्री
defense
लिखी
budget.
जाएगी
Let me-
तो कहा जाएगा
Arnab,
कि
let me
इन्होंने
finish.
भिखारियों के इंडस्ट्री को काफी उन्होंने इसमें रेवोल्यूशन कर दी, क्रांति ले आए भिखारियों के बीच में.
When it comes to Pakistan,
12% आपकी इकोनॉमी भिखारियों की है.
Required in terms of securing Pakistan.
अरे
Same
भिखारियों
goes
की
out
इंडस्ट्री
for
है आपकी.
India as well. India is securing itself. India is securing itself against Pakistan, securing itself.
It was said that 90%, ये रिपोर्ट में लिखा था 90% of the pickpockets. 1 minute. 90% of the pickpockets arrested inside Mecca's Grand Mosque are Pakistanis. ये मक्का जा रहे हैं वहां पे
become beggars.
pickpocketing कर रहे हैं.
Pakistan has been begging
Yeah,
for
what
money for
is
the
it?
last several
Now you started
decades
saying beggar,
from
beggar,
international
beggar, beggar.
organizations,
What kind
from
of
foreign
content you want to
countries.
generate
The
there?
people are only going to be like their leaders. Since the Pakistani leaders beg for money, the Pakistani
Who's
people
crying?
are also turning to begging. It's a
Who's
natural
crying?
extension.
You guys are crying, yeah.
It's a natural
No.
extension.
Somebody was crying from the other side.
People will behave like their Pakistani leaders.
इनका
Beggars
राजा साहब,
will be
इनकी आदत
beggars.
है कि चीखे मारते हैं,
Unfortunately, these beggars can't
Yeah.
be choosers as
क्योंकि
well.
हकीकत होती नहीं
They
है।
are begging
हमने
in this
तो
country to
किसी
do that.
हमने तो किसी
Every-
को उस पर मांग नहीं
there is
रखा.
nothing
बोलते हैं
of
facts and
economic
figure के साथ, ये बोलते हैं
significance
शोर डाल
in
के।
Pakistan. Other than begging,
can't
they are
stampede
selling
somebody's tail. I don't think I have
Other than
stampeded
begging, they are
somebody's
selling
tail.
donkeys.
Who's crying?
You're crying.
Now, Arnab, let me finish. Let me finish about the defense budget. Earlier, you
No,
highlighted
Indians
and your
abroad
guests
are
have
running big
Pakistan
companies
very
like
much.
Satya Nadella,
See, as soon as I start talking about,
Like
as
the
soon as
head
I
of the
start
World
talking about
Bank,
something
Ajay
constructive,
Banga.
you stop me.
we are heading global corporations, and you are having a 12% contribution
Good
to your
for you,
GDP
Arnab.
from begging.
Good for you.
Not good,
Good
very
for
good
you.
for me. Say
And I
very
think
good for me.
your guest-
So we send
Earlier, your
missions
guest
to
was
the
talk-
land on the
your
moon,
guest was talking
and you
sense,
send
and I
beggars
wanted to
across the
try.
world.
Your guest raised this point that in late 50s, of course, Pakistan was doing, and in early 60s, Pakistan was doing excellent in terms of
Calls?
economy, and they were ahead
Yes,
of
it was.
us. Well, there are certain times in
Volume
which,
up,
of course,
Raja.
both of the countries, they were competing each other.
But Professor
of course, in
Nalapa,
the
what do
early
we do with
90s,
Yeah,
like 92,
Professor Nalapad, we are trying to reason out the reasons for the sunky or crazy behavior of Shehbaz Sharif. Professor Nalapad.
Look, the only rational reason can be that he is worried that he is going to be replaced. I think, frankly, he is so obvious a failure in almost all the tasks that he has been allocated by the military that I think it's only a matter of time before he is replaced with some professional economist, maybe get somebody from outside, so that the military can say, oh, we have now a professional running the show. In Mohammed Yunus, for example, whoever was the remote controlling the Bangladesh operation, they found the ideal person to front that. So
Okay, we got Prasad calling from Bengaluru. Prasad, go on, Prasad. I've seen the crazy behavior. Have you seen the crazy behavior of Shehbaz, Prasad?
Yeah, yes.
You saw him thumping and saying we're going to become bigger and all the... You saw that? What do you think?
Yes.
What's going on here, Prasad?
When we start talking, you have no people and you
Raja, listen to Prasad from Bengaluru.
Yeah, good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Yeah, I see a lot of hatredness in the prime ministers and the normal people of Pakistan.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, there's a lag there between you and me. I'll go to Venkatesh from Hyderabad. Venkatesh.
Yeah.
What do you think about his behavior and the reasons behind it, possibly? Because it's really
it is,
alarming.
Utter delusion, first of all. And secondly, I want to ask this Pakistanis through Republic TV, when they will start to learn accepting the facts, and when they will start learning to tell the truth. This is my question to them.
Yeah, that Raja,
Yes,
when
sir.
Raja Venkatesh is telling you. Venkatesh, yeah.
Venkatesh, thank you for asking this question from Arnab.
Now you are also behaving like Shehbaz Sharif, Raja. Just start thumping the table, you'll look like him also.
I won't mind.
Jagdish
behaving
is calling
like
in from
him,
Delhi.
But I would definitely mind behaving like Narendra Modi.
Jagdish ji from Delhi.
Yeah.
What do you think of Shehbaz Sharif's behavior?
I think it is not even worth to be replied itself. What is he talking? He's talking nonsense. He has gone mad. The whole country has gone mad since yesterday when they lost to India. So what are you talking? What are you discussing with him?
Good point. Jagdish is now calling from Bengaluru. Another Jagdish.
Arnab ji.
Yes.
अर्नब जी, आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल बिकॉज मैं आपको 18 साल से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ
जी।
आज मुझे मौका मिला है बात करने के लिए।
जी।
अच्छा अर्नब जी मैं 18 साल से आप अपने शो फॉलो कर रहा हूँ। मैं बहुत खुश हो गया आपका लाइन मिल गया आज बात करने के लिए
जी।
अच्छा मैं एक चीज बोलने गया था, पाकिस्तान में वैसा बिजनेस और एक है, लोग डोंकी को एक्सपोर्ट करता है।
डोंकी को एक्सपोर्ट करते बहुत बड़ा एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं। डोंकी का एक्सपोर्ट, बहुत गधे का एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं पाकिस्तान।
वो एक है, उसके साथ बिचारे के साथ इनका
तरीका गधा खाता कौन है किन
इरशाद अपसेट हो गए। जगदीश जी अब इरशाद
अपसेट नहीं हो गए। मैंने कहा गधे ने गधों की बात की है, कोई अच्छी बात कीजिए, कोई ये इंटरनेशनल चैनल पे हम लोग बैठे हैं, को बात कीजिए।
Irshad Ahmed और Raja Faisal, I feel bad for you. I feel bad. I wish I could take more phone calls. I will wrap up by showing that clip once again, the crazy clip, the Sankey clip. The Sankey clip of Shehbaz Sharif, ladies and gentlemen, on popular demand. And I'll see you on the other side, on the big debate on the Delhi scam. But before that, here's that clip. Here's that clip of Shehbaz Sharif going completely crazy.
कि जब तक मेरी जान में जान है, हम सब मिलकर पाकिस्तान को अजीम बनाएंगे, हिंदुस्तान को शिकस्त देंगे इंशाल्लाह। मैं थोड़ा एक वादा कर चले हैं कि पाकिस्तान असी इंशाल्लाह उस रब नूं मंजूर है, रब सोने नूं मंजूर है, उस रब सोने नूं मंजूर होया तो इंशाल्लाह मेहनत करांगे, रात दिन मेहनत करांगे तो एक दिन आएगा कि हिंदुस्तान पिछले न छुटे थे। मेरा नाम शहबाज शरीफ नहीं है।
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.